Video is going to be a little bit longer. Welcome to Mammoth Springs State Park. It's pretty cool. Legend of Mammoth Spring. Long ago, a group of Indians camped in this area along the Warm Fork River when a long and terrible drought occurred. The river nearly ran dry. The chief sent his son and other warriors to seek more water. During the search, the chief's son died. While burying him, a large stream of water shot from the gravesite. The chief vowed the new spring would flow forever since his son had died searching for water, and it had been found while burying him. So the legend goes on. Pretty cool little deal. You know, then we got this over here. A little bit more. Where is the spring? The spring is located to your left. It may be viewed by following the footpath that encircles the lake. How much water does a spring produce? Mammoth Springs flows at an average rate of 9.78 million gallons of water per hour. This equals 235 million gallons per day. That's crazy. The water temperature is a constant 58 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not bad. Swimmable. Does the lake have fish in it? Well, it's kind of obvious, you know. Why don't we restore the power plant? A feasible study in 1981 determined it would be uneconomical to restore the plant. The age of the equipment and changes in storage capacity of the lake increased renovation costs and reduced the amount of electricity that could be generated. And this over here, what am I standing on? You are standing on the support for a bridge across Spring Lake. The bridge provided an important link between the train station and the city of Mammoth Spring. The first bridge, made of wood, was replaced by a steel bridge, and the steel bridge was privately owned and was sold as scrap metal in the 1960s. How was the spring helped the development of Mammoth Springs? The constant flow of water provided a reliable source of power as early as 1835, when a grist mill was located on the banks of the river. As the city flourished, this is pretty cool. That's a lot to read. I ain't gonna read all that. I ain't gonna lie. But 1857 to 58, whatever. All right, here's that dam that I took a video of. Was constructed in not 19. It's older than that, about 100 years. 1887 and 1888 for the Mammoth Springs Milling Company. Each stone was hand cured. Butchering that. If you can help me pronounce that word, that'd be great. And fit into place using no mechanical equipment. The concrete structure to your... I'm pretty sure you guys could probably read this. It's gonna take me longer to read this than it is y'all. 1972. Yep. I don't see any fish. Come on, Nova. Bye-bye. I don't see any fish. What about over here? See any fish over here? Where the bugs out? Come on, Nova. Woo. Look at this. Big old generator. Bill Owen, first state geologist for 1857. Pretty cool. Prior to the construction of the hydraulic plant in 1927, this site provided mechanical power from falling and flowing water. The water power was used for milling, grinding, and manufacturing operations. This is pretty cool. This governor opens and closes and wicket gates which control the amount of water hitting turbine blades. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I think this is pretty neat right here. Come on, Nova. Provided direct current to the generator. This generator is connected to the turbine and produces electricity as the turbine spins. That's pretty cool. What's over here? I don't know what this is. Looks interesting. You got some blueprints over here. Whatnot. There's some old photos. That's what the dam number 1 looked like. Dam number 2. Dam number 3. Nice little park area. I'll walk down here. Let Nova maybe decide if she wants to take a swim or not, or if she wants to drink some water. See if Nova wants some water. Nova, you want some water? Not that we got bottled water at the truck, so you want some water? I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like a little fish swimming somewhere. A little guy, just this little guy swimming. And you got some over here. Got a whole school of them right there. Somewhere right there. It might be a little hard to see. I ain't gonna make it to the train station today. I'm hungry. Nova's hungry. She over here about to eat duck poop or goose poop. Look at them geese. Mean ones.